Hey YouTube, let's do Cannon's Ruthless. But out on the street says you're with somebody new. Call me on the phone, baby, tell me it's not true. Okay, something like that. I was just playing that with G, E minor, C. That's a simple way to play it, but it's in a different key from the recording. The recording is in the key of E flat. Goes to C minor. It's the minor sixth, or the relative minor. And then it goes to G sharp, which is the 4 chord. All right, so that's our structure we're working with. We're going to play out of this 8th position, and that is on the low E string, a C. All right, we have that C minor chord, right? Well, that's what that's how we're gonna play it here. That's arpeggios being played right out of that C minor scale. You could, you could play it like this. That's our E flat. Then go to C minor. Then go to G sharp. That's one way to do it, but the guitar player in this band just plays them out of the scale, individual notes out of the scale. That's we're kind of playing out of this 8th position minor scale, and there's some little extension boxes on the bottom end of that. So that would be 6/8, 6/8. No, just on the A, low E and the A string, 6/8. So you're just sliding in and out of these 6 fret positions on the. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.